Baby, it's okay. It's okay. You're just having a panic attack. Take a deep breath. Good, everything's gonna be okay. It's okay. Okay, you're here with me. I'm gonna keep you safe, I promise. Everything's gonna be okay. Just a little panic attack. All you just gotta do is just breathe in and out, okay? Just breathe in and out. Everything's gonna be okay, princess. I promise. And something came over me. And I felt I had to come up to you. I had to come up to you and say hi. I was nervous. I was so nervous. But I knew that I couldn't let this moment pass. So I had to get the courage. And we started talking. And I can honestly tell you that was the best decision I have ever made in my life. Something from a simple hello changed everything. Changed my whole life for the better. And I never thought something so small would lead us here together. I'm so glad that I walked up to you that day. Here, come close. Come close to my arms. Just relax, okay? It's okay, everything's gonna be okay. Okay? Your heart's racing so fast. Here, relax just a little bit and feel my warmth. Relax your arms, relax your shoulders, relax your body and legs and neck, okay? Everything's gonna be okay because I'm here. I'm here to love you and protect you, okay? Don't worry, sweetheart. Everything's gonna be okay, princess. I love you so much. Just relax into me now. Good. I love you. I'm here and I'm never gonna leave you. I promise. Do you feel better now? Good, good. I mean, you got me worried there for a bit. I was really concerned about you, sweetheart. I mean, I always worry about you. You know, you're my little princess and I care about you so much. You're so cute. You know, all I want to do is just take care of you. I do. I want to take care of my little princess. I love you so much. Here, let me get you some tea, you know. Let me get you something nice and hot, okay? Give me 1 second. There you go, baby. I got you some tea. Here you go. It's really, really hot, so drink it slowly, okay? I don't want you to burn yourself. You're so cute, baby. I love you so much. I hope this makes you feel better. You know, sometimes I don't tell you enough, but I really do love you and appreciate you so much. You're my everything, and you're so cute in every way. Sometimes I just have a hard time just expressing myself, you know, because I'm just so manly like that. But with you, I feel like I can be vulnerable, If that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. I might be just talking crazy talk, but I really, really love you, and you are my everything. Scoot over a little bit, sweetie. Let me lay down next to you. Okay, now scoot back into me. Good. I just want to cuddle you, that's all. My little princess. You're so cold. Let me keep you warm. There you go. Are you warm right now? Good. Good, good, good. I'm glad you're warm right now. I love you so much, sweetie. You know, all I want to do is just take care of you. That's all I ever want to do. If I can take care of you for the rest of my life, I would be the happiest man in the world. You know? It's such an honor for me to take care of someone so beautiful and so amazing in every single way possible. And I love you so, so much. I don't think you understand how much I love you. I really love you so much. You're my everything princess. I still remember the day when we first met. I mean, I remember it like it was yesterday. It feels very clear to me still. I mean, I was just going about my day, and I didn't really expect anything special. And I walked into that small coffee shop. You know, the one with the cozy chairs and the fresh smell of coffee. You know that one. Yes, sweetie, that one. Exactly. And as I was walking in the coffee shop, I saw you. I saw you sitting by the window. You were just sitting by the window, looking outside. And I don't know why. I don't. But there was something about you. Something about you that caught my attention. You know, you got the most prettiest eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. It's just the way that they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love, your eyes just sparkle. I mean, it is kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? I mean, I do. I always get lost in your eyes. I do. And sometimes when the light hits your eyes just right, they glow. They really do. You really have a unique beauty to your eyes. But honestly, sweetie, you should really be careful. Because with eyes like yours, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips I have ever seen. There's something about your lips lips that just draws me in. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And it feels like everything fades away but me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky to be with you. I mean, I can listen to you speak for hours. Your voice combines with the way your lips just moves. It's so mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feels so special. You know, your lips are just so beautiful. They are. Your lips, they hold so much warmth and kindness. It makes it very, very comforting to be close to you. I mean, I know you probably deserve to hear this more, but you are amazing inside and out. And your hair. I just love your hair. And I love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair looks so soft and beautiful. And I love the way your hair shines in the light. It gives us this nice glow. And sometimes I get lost in it. But your hair just frames your face so perfectly. And then I love the way how your hair feels when I run my fingers through it. It's so silky and smooth. And sometimes when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. And it's like there's a whole brand new side of you that just comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And all that makes up your face. I mean, you got the most beautiful face in the world. You do. And every time I look at your face, it just lights up my world and makes everything brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day, it just makes everything brighter. And I love watching your expressions change. Whether you're happy, sad, or annoyed. Every emotion that crosses your face is just so captivating. I don't know if you realize it, but you have a way of making me feel calm. I can spend hours just looking at you, being mesmerized by every curve and part of your face. You're amazing, sweetie. And every time I see your face, I just fall more and more in love with you. You have this natural beauty that no one else could ever compare. You're my everything. And now I'm so thankful that I get to wake up to your beautiful face every single day. From now on. Yeah, I know I don't tell you this enough, but